Most people take synthetic multivitamins every day, but nature already gave us something better. Liver is the most nutrient-dense food on the planet, packed with real, bioavailable nutrients like vitamin A, B12, iron. Just a small serving gives you more nutrition than most pills ever could. And unlike lab-made supplements, your body actually knows how to absorb these nutrients from real food. For thousands of years, liver was treasured by tribes, warriors, and meanwhile, synthetic vitamins didn't even exist 100 years ago. So make the switch to real nutrition. Follow for more life maxing tips.